Now this illustration deals with systems of less than 50 volts. You know, as an example, when I was a young fellow, around 6, 7 years old, out on the farm, we had a windmill. And this windmill, Dad would have it turn and charge up batteries that were DC. Those DC batteries were in a little metal type enclosure, and it would supply DC to DC lighting, DC plugs and things in our farmhouse. And we had a DC radio that we supplied, and we could listen to the radio in those days. But this was the type of system that we would deal with using this Article 720. Now, notice the conductors that are listed in the boxed in information coming from this system of less than 50 volts. And you know, this could be today a wind generator, you know, electrical wind systems. It could be a battery system and so forth, but could be a PV system. Now, notice the conductors, though, would be number 12, using this type of system, and using the permissive rules of this Article 720. So the conductors would be number 12, general wiring, Article 720, Section 720.4 would deal with that. Then notice the circuits supplying this system, where this number 12 is run, is less than 50 volts. So this figure 4-10 sizes the conductors that we would need for general wiring using this system of less than 50 volts and using the requirements that are listed in Article 720, and we've just reviewed NEC 720.4 dealing with conductors.